Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Lebanese lentil soup. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1.5 cups of red lentils, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 8 cups of water or vegetable broth, and key spices like cumin, salt, and pepper. Fresh lemon juice and parsley are crucial for the authentic finish. Let's get started with the preparation. Begin by rinsing your 1.5 cups of red lentils under cold water until it runs clear. Next, finely dice your large onion and 2 carrots and mince your 2 cloves of garlic. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and carrots, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds until fragrant. Now it's time to bring all the flavors together. To the sautéed vegetables, add the rinsed lentils, 8 cups of water or vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything well, then bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the lentils are completely tender. The soup will thicken as it cooks. For the perfect creamy texture, you can use an immersion blender to partially or fully blend the soup directly in the pot. Blend until it reaches your desired consistency, leaving some texture if you prefer. Next, stir in the fresh juice of 1 whole lemon. This adds a bright, essential tang. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. Serve your warm Lebanese lentil soup garnished with fresh chopped parsley and a drizzle of olive oil, perhaps with some toasted pita bread on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.